Greetings everyone, my name is Mars Angelo S. Enano, and today we're discussing about electromagnetic waves. Now, I am with my friend and she will introduce herself.
Hello everyone, I'm Gabriela Nicole Egay and today we will be discussing about electromagnetic waves.
And now, have you ever wondered how signals travel through the air? How we see the light or how sound move around us? It all stands to electromagnetic wave. So, in this video, we will explain the types of electromagnetic waves. So, stay tuned and let's dive into the topic.
As we all know, there are 7 types of electromagnetic waves. We have radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. But we'll be only be discussing 5 common types of electromagnetic waves. So, let's start.
First is radio wave.
Radio waves have only the frequency of 3 kHz and a wavelength of 100 kilometers. The best example for the radio waves are the radio itself and the television. Next, we will be discussing about the microwave, which my friend Marius will explain all about it.
Microwave. Microwave is a type of electromagnetic wave that is shorter than radio wave and longer than infrared wave. It is commonly used due to mutation, radar, and heating food. This is the example of microwave, the microwave oven. Microwave ovens don't have a direct temperature settings like a traditional oven, example of 100 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius. Instead, they use a power levels measured in watts such as low, medium, and high. Now, after we discuss the microwave, there is another example of EM waves that will be explained by my friend. Let's go.
Next is infrared. Infrared had the frequency of 300 GHz to 400 THz and with a wavelength of 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. The best example for the infrareds are our remote controls.
Next is visible light.
It's visible light. Visible light has a frequency of 400 THz to 800 THz and a wavelength of 400 nanometers to 700 millimeters. These are the colors that we see in our everyday life. Last but not the least are
Ultraviolet or UV in short is a type of EM waves that is shorter than visible light and longer than X-ray. It is invisible in human eye and it is commonly found in sunlight. These are the example of ultraviolet. The shade. Shade protect the eyes from UV rays which can cause eye damage like cataract and sunburn. High quality shade have UV blocking lenses that prevent harmful UVA and UVB rays from reaching the eyes. Always choose shade label 100% UV protection for the best safety. So, that is for our video about electromagnetic wave and we hope you learned something new and excitement and now we see you in the next one.